Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to break down how to use iPhone 12 Pro Max and 12 Pro lenses efficiently and how the camera works each time you take a video. Also note that this can also apply for the iPhone 11 Pro as well. I think what's really important is understanding the processes the camera has to go through in order to take a single photo or video. So this was taken on a crisp winter's morning on the iPhone 12 Pro. And what is fascinating about this is that your iPhone automatically, with machine learning, helps to separate subject from the background, so it can distinguish by itself, just with the underlying technology process. It knows when to separate the subject from the background. So for those who don't know about LiDAR technology, it basically allows the iPhone to have spatial awareness. And so it uses LiDAR and the A14 Bionic chip, the chip that processes all the functions of the iPhone. They work together to render every pattern and texture you can see in this photo, make realistic color throughout this video to make it a more accurate portrayal. And you can see here the crisp, the fine detail. Not only this, but like the white, crisp portrayal of the snow, processing each individual snowflake, the fact that there's it processes the subject from the background. All this, the highlights, the shadows, and the contours are all processed by smart HDR. And you know what? I find this fascinating that, you know, your iPhone, when you just click a button to take a photo or video, your iPhone does that much in order to do this. It shows you how far the camera's gone on smartphones these days. So now guys, I'm going to talk to you about how to use the camera effectively. So guys, this is the telephoto lens in action. It's incredible. I'm standing quite far away from this, and it's the top of a tree. You can see the crisp snow on the tree. This telephoto camera definitely lets you see close-up detail without being right next to the subject. So guys, you might be asking, well, how do you get to this type of lens? So when you take a video on the iPhone 11 Pro or the 12 Pro, just above the button to take the video, there'll be 0.5x, 1x, 2.5x. So the telephoto lens is 2.5x. And when you zoom in, it will let you go all the way up to 7 times zoom, which is really impressive. You can really get that detail in. So guys, this is the wide lens, and you see I jump straight to the telephoto lens, and then I jump straight back to the wide, and this is ultra wide. And to do this, just as I've said before, above the video to button, there's 0.5, 1 times and 2.5 menu option, and you simply tap which one you want, and that way you can jump between the different lenses. This is ultra wide again, and you can see how much of the shot, how much of the area you're seeing is being consumed in this one picture. You can get a lot. This is night mode for the iPhone. We can see the ultra wide and telephoto lenses with the 0.5, 1 and 2.5 lens. To access night mode, you simply just need to be in an area of low light. Your iPhone will recognize this. So what I'm doing now is I'm taking a photo of a model car in very dark, low light settings. We can see here the iPhone recognizes the car with the cross. As you can see the car, the subject here, it's amazing. So in very, very dark settings, and I mean, I put this car in pretty much complete darkness when I took this photo, and you can still see the car. Like, it's amazing. And this technology works with wide and ultra wide lenses. It's incredible. Anyway guys, thank you so much for tuning in and watching our video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe so you do not miss a single of our videos. Wait, before you go, please check out the set of photos that we've managed to take on the iPhone 12 Pro Max.